Are you concerned or worried about the current situation? Are you experiencing anxiety, fear, worry, or depression? Do you think this event is going to have a lasting effect on your personal or your business life? In this video, I am going to share one solution that is going to help you fight fear, worry, depression, and anxiety by helping you create a lasting change in your life and making a huge impact on the life of people you want to serve. Hi, my name is Raja Sharma. I am an urban yogi and a business strategy coach for entrepreneurs. You see, we all have one or two things that always elude us. We keep on running after this one thing. It sucks up all our focus, time, and energy. It can be health, wealth, relationship, or some habit or obsession. We know that the root cause of this is going to be in the subconscious mind, and we keep on trying to fix the mind. But the fact of the matter is, the mind has very little to do with the process of manifestation. It's time to go beyond the mind, transcend the mind, and tap into the power of consciousness. We all know that transformation is about creating a shift in the energy. The quantum science also tells us that we live in a field of energy, and this energy is intelligent. The big corporations are using this knowledge, this science for technology. Look at any industry such as communication. Look at the smartphones we have created, the travel industry, the automobile industry. Even the movie and the entertainment industry is using this technology. And whole new industry with computers, internet, apps have come up, and they are doing well also. So do you think we can use this knowledge, this science for personal growth? Of course we can. The technology for consciousness is just around the corner. It's time to tap into the power of consciousness and access our limitless powers. The quantum science is trying to show us the new reality. We live in this field of energy, just like the fish lives in water. And the epigenetics has suggested that our body and mind is in constant communication with the field and uses the field as a medium. You see, we need to go beyond the fascination of our body and mind, because the body and mind is nothing more than a tool for the consciousness to create our reality. Our deepest thoughts, desires, and values reflect on the quantum screen, and we perceive that as material reality. But it's just a play of mind and matter. Of course, at this point, your mind is going to say, who the heck is this guy, and why should I listen to him? Well, that's fair enough. Let me tell you a little bit about myself. My name is Raja Sharma. I am an urban yogi, a business strategy coach, and an entrepreneur. I am from India, and like other immigrants, I came here to experience the American dream. In my early years, I had great success. I was a restaurateur. I had a great family, house with picket fence, cars, boat, and a great lifestyle. We did a lot of camping and fishing with friends and family, traveled a lot. We enjoyed the life, lived the American dream. But then in 2008, with the downturn of economy, I experienced the American nightmare as well. I lost my business. I had issues with taxes. I experienced foreclosures and repossessions. I had mountain of credit card debts, and finally, with divorce, I hit the rock bottom. I tried all kinds of things to come back. Seemed like nothing was working. I wanted to find a way, so I turned inwards, and I went back home to India on a trip of self-discovery. I wanted answers. By the time I got done, not only did I know I had limitless powers, but I learned how to activate my powers as well. Now I want to share the same knowledge and create a huge impact. If you want to know how, go ahead and click the button here. I have found my calling, and I can help you find yours and get on the path of least resistance. Look, if you have tried to make a lasting change, then you already know the kind of challenge you can face, and especially if you are working with the mind mastery, then you really need to understand that between what you want and what you have, the only thing that comes in the way is your mind. Say it another way, where you are and where you want to be, the only thing that comes in the way is your mind. If you are ready to tap into the power of your consciousness, if you want to transcend your mind, click here and let's get into a conversation. Have you ever wondered why some people get everything they want with ease and grace while others struggle for everything? Click here and take the path of least resistance. It will change your life once and for all.